Meaning of epicentre.
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 Epicentre. The epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus of an earthquake or underground explosion. It is the location where the seismic activity is at its strongest. In terms of a natural disaster like an earthquake, the epicenter is the point where the most damage is likely to occur. It is essential to determine the epicenter to assess the impact and plan rescue missions. The term is also used metaphorically to describe the central point or focus of a particular event or situation.